everything into the game. Digicom versus Miracle. Will be Miracle once again able to win this match because they lost their first match of the day against the Digicom in the qualifier. सर वो हम बाद में बताएंगे. चमत्कार भी होगे, नमस्कार भी होगे, वक्त पलटेगा भी और जज्बात भी बदलेंगे. So let's see how the innings will start. But surely, to everyone present on the ground, can we have the big round of applause for both the teams? 3 cheers! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much. It's the Digicom team versus the Miracle. The things are about to start in a short span of a time. But from now onwards, yes, we'll surely start by the biggest mantra. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Ganpati Bappa. Thank you so much. So, what's the scenario, sir? 8 overs or 10 overs? 8 overs? 8 overs game. Yes, it's a 8 overs game. Yes, 8 overs game. Because वहाँ से नीलेश भाई ने 10 किया तो मुझे लगा थोड़ा हार्ट अटैक आ गया कि 10 प्लेयर्स है या 20 प्लेयर्स है. But nevertheless, a good cricket. The final moments. Assert Cricket Premier League. Rajesh Bhai on strike. And here we go. It was a full toss delivery dipping in. Dot ball to start with. So the fine pair of Rajesh Bhai and Alpesh Bhai in the middle to start the innings. This time it's in the air. Falling short of the fielder. Samit at the long off region. Dot balls. But this time, the first runs on the scorecard. Extra runs. There have been lots and lots of extras which have changed the courses of the game. 2 runs on the scorecard. Once again missing the line and length. Wides. Kalpesh Gavli need a wicket. Oh! As we said, a wicket was needed and he does his work. So it was a trap being set down by Kalpesh. The ball keeping low, inside edge and onto the stumps. He is clean bowled and here comes the big man, Anuj Bhai, for the final time in this tournament. How will the things work here? But surely the Miracle team, they will also give their 100%. Oh, a good turn, but then once again missing it by the line and length. And Anuj Bhai walks off. What an over this is from Kalpesh Bhai. 2 wickets in the over. He has just left some extra runs, but he has completed his homework. Sir, one sec, please. Vishal, scorer Vishal. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. The scorer was just adding it. Thank you. This time, fielding it in the follow through. We can see Sam giving the energy to the bowler. Krishnakant It's a dot ball. 1 over 4 run. After the completion of first over, the score is 4. So every effort will be put down by all the players in the match. They know it's the big moment, a chance to become the winners of Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. And Alpesh defends this time. Dot ball to start. And it's a white ball. That's again a very good delivery. We saw Samit Upadhyay taking wickets like this. Now that's been driven straight to the fielder. Sam stopping the ball. Samit Upadhyay bowling the second over. Once again a defensive stroke. We can see the claps applauded. It's in the air. The ball reflects on the side net. A single run for Alpesh to rotate the strike. Last ball coming up. This time hitting the ball on the leg. A good turn by Samit Upadhyay to end the over number 2. 6 runs after 2 overs. So surely throughout the day we witnessed the big scores. But surely this is the finale. It's gonna be an interesting one. We have seen the Miracle team scoring 150 odd runs. But this time it is Digicom who have elected to bat first. Sam bowling. It's in the air. Very well fielded by Samit Upadhyay. Lots of field changes being brought in. A fielder at the covers, a fielder at a short mid wicket and square leg. 4 fielders inside the power play. This time has been played. A quick release from the fielder, Nisarg. He's also been in a good touch today. Each and every run will matter the most. Outside edge. A good effort by Vishal. So this is the effort you need to put in. It's the mega finale. It's in the air. Oh! Alpesh has been given a lifeline and it's an absolute cloud sixer. So the first big hit by the big man, Alpesh. The score is 14 runs. So everybody keeping their nerves calm. This time it's in the air. The ball ricocheting off the upper net. So then it's the end of over number 3 and the score is 15 runs. And the second last power over of the day. Second last power over of the day. And here comes the golden arm man, Samit Upadhyay. On strike is Alpesh. That's in the air. Kalpesh Bhai tried it. But then the ball touching his fingertips. A single run. It's a no ball. So we can hear the noises. Avade. One more time, the batsmen have rotated the strike. That's a good comeback, especially building the pressure on the batsman. Krishnakant, he has done his work in the power overs. Slog hit. Once again, the rotation of the strike is much more important in the power over. The total score after the over. Now it's in the air. Absolute cloud sixer. You beauty. It was in the slot and fine strokes. Wide ball. It's in the air. And Nilesh Bhai stops it this time. And what an over this is. The final score is 39. Easily, they have kept the score going on. 39. Whoa. Nilesh Bhai comes to bowl round the wicket with a dot ball. It's in the air. Away from the fielder. Absolute cloud sixer. And we have just noticed everyone is saying KK, and oh my god, it's the second catch being dropped down. That too in the finals. A good try in the end. Oh, living the ball. Round the wicket. One more wide ball. Now it was in the air towards the mid-wicket region. A throw at the striker's end. It was a danger single. 49 is the score. Yes, 2 balls left. KK, Krishnakant on strike and he completes. And he completes the 15 style. It's an NJ boundary. It's in the air. A single. And with that, over comes to an end. It's 54 after 5. 5 overs gone and the score is 54. Alpesh not out on 26 of 16 and Krishnakant not out on 18 of 13. First ball has been played into the gap. That's a good strike. Yes, an absolute sixer followed by a single. 61 for 2 in 5.2. Yes! What a catch! Oh my goodness! You cannot take away the eyes from this man. Jignesh Bhai. Jignesh Bhai Suvache. What a catch! And look at that sportsman spirit. An outstanding catch to... Surely this is going to be a special moment. Yes, it's the mega finale. And all these things will happen. We are seeing it into the replays. What a catch that was. Team Miracle doing a miraculous work here. Captain has arrived at the crease. It doesn't connect it properly, but then a single. A bit of a fumble there. Walking it on the offside. And a run out. So, the captain walking away.
No problem.
62 for.
Fearless. 6 over चल रहा है.
Yes. Last ball of the over. Dragging it onto the onside. A single. With that, over number 6 comes to an end. The score is 63. 63. (63 for 4). Krishnakant not out on 26 of 17. Rakesh Gandhi at the non-striker's end. And Nisarg to start the over. Oh! The ball goes between two fielders. It's a dot ball. The ball went between two legs. This time an off cutter. And a chance. A chance, direct hit. Rakesh Bhai has to walk back. Shripal walking in. The previous match we saw Shripal taking runouts, and this time 2 to 3 runouts in the finals. Each and every dot ball will make things count here. 64 for 5. This time played back to the bowler, not for any runs. Well, it's a white ball signaled. One more extra run. So I guess 80 to 90 runs would be a par score. This time just giving away a full toss. The ball was dipping in away from the side, and the score is 66. That's straight into the hands of the fielder. The safest pair of hands. Jignesh Bhai once again. One more wicket falls down. The score remains 666 for 6 in 6.5. It's a no ball. Oh, it's a big no ball. Krishnakant had to make it. It's a no ball. Free to be continued. (69 for 6 in 6.5). Free hit for Krishnakant. What a aim this is. Umpires? It's an ANJ boundary. So whatever the runs is, it's the most important run scored by Krishnakant. The score is 73. And now Jignesh Bhai comes to bowl the final over of the first innings. 73. 73 for 6 in 7 overs. This over will surely set the target So we can see everybody enjoying the finale in the cafeteria as well. 73 for 6. And what a ball. This is a chance of a wicket. And Kamlesh Bhai has to walk back. So most important, this has turned out to be a dot ball. We can see all our committee members enjoying along with the hard work. The finale. Pankaj Bhai comes to bat out. One of the finest person in the team. 73 for 7. Now that's been played towards a wideish long on for a single. 3 balls remaining, and most important thing is that the score is 74. Oh! It's a costlier drop. Absolute cloud sixer. This time getting an inside edge. Lucky enough he survives. 80 runs on the scorecard. Well, it was a juicy full toss. A single run on the last ball. So then, first innings comes to an end. 81 is the score. Miracle Tech Strikers need 82 runs to win in 8 overs. So 10.1 is the asking rate. We can see everyone, all the team, all the members, all our business partners enjoying these matches. Even the family members, they are enjoying these moments. Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. Would like to thank our corporate sponsors. Cap sponsor by TP Link. Water bottle sponsor by Bookmark Infotech. Sixes sponsored by Absolute Cloud. Boundaries by NJ. Man of the match by Vidhi. Data Recovery Lab. Also, we would like to thank our media partners NCN, CRN, War India, Digital Tech Media, SME Channels, Salit News and DT. A big thanks, a thumbs up to all our team owners. Digicomsec Blazers by Digicomsec. Icon Achievers by Icons. ITCG Game Changers by ITCG. Delivering technology. MDR Avengers by MDR. Mumbai Data Recovery. Team Miracle Tech Strikers by Miracle Tech. Palo Protectors by Palo. Makes life easy. Team RAC Titans by RAC. Peace of Mind. And the Sound Super Kings by Sound Solutions. A big thanks to our team sponsors and all our sponsors for making this event a grand success. Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. Everyone on the ground, can we have a round of applause for our committee members? They have done their hard work. And this is all which we are witnessing. The mega finale and the run chase about to start. Team Miracle Tech Strikers need 82 runs in 8 overs to win this match. So then it's the pair of Jignesh Bhai and Nisarg to start the proceedings, and as usual we are seeing Rakesh Bhai bowling. That's been played on the onside and straight away a single. First ball was a dot ball and a single, and Nisarg Bhai saying bhai aasu ho tu. Wow, what a delivery. Cramping him for a room. It's a dot ball. And the big fish goes into the trap. Inside edge, and he's played on. The big wicket of Nisarg. Will Digicom repeat the qualifiers action, or will the Miracles turn around the table? And Samet Upadhyay comes into bat. Well, that's a close call. Good attempt by the fielder at the third man region. Over is completed. The score is 2 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. It's not the scenario which we have witnessed, but this is the truth. 2 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. 80 runs needed in 42 balls. And Anuj Bhai starts the second over with a dot ball. Well, it was a full toss delivery. A single added to the score. Oh, an overthrow. But then it was just a tempted call from Jignesh Bhai. 4 runs on the scorecard. He knows he will get a chance and he will surely go after the bowlers. Going on the back foot, driven towards the extra cover for a single. 5 runs in 1.4 over. Very well defended. The smiles being exchanged between both the experienced players. Coming down the track. And it's an NJ boundary. And with that, over comes to an end. 9 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. So the captain coming to bowl the third over. And what a ball this is. Walking it on the onside, using his wrist. It's a single being taken. 10 for 1 in 2.2. Required run rate is around 12.71 Each and every dot ball will surely make a pressure here. But then it's a white ball being bowled. Just maintaining the line and length. 2.4 overs, 11 for 1. And a call from Jignesh Bhai for a single. 12 runs on the scorecard. What a stroke this is from Samit Bhai. Absolutely out sixer. And the score is 18 runs after 3 overs. So they are going at the run rate of 6. The required run rate is 12.8. Rakesh Gandhi to bowl the power over. To all those who have joined along with us from the YouTube, this is a power over. Coming down the track. Oh dear. That was a big wicket. Well, the fielders were not ready. That's in the air and a drop. The big man getting a lifeline. Can this prove a costlier one? But surely he has saved 6 runs over there. It's a power over and good thinking by the fielders. Dot ball. What an over this is turning out to be. He is cramping the batsman. Oh, a big wicket again. Rakesh Bhai provides a breakthrough here. The power over, wicket and the minus runs. 1 ball still left. So we'll announce the score after this ball. Wicket. The score is 15. Okay, so the over is completed. The score is 15. 15 after 4. There are almost 10 to 15 calculators in the comb box near the scorers. Everyone is counting. Everyone is making an calculation which team will win. All the superstitions also being executed in the field. कि मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा रहूँगा तो मेरी टीम जीत जाएगी. But then it's a game of a cricket. With all the twists and turns. Even the god of a cricket, he was superstitious. 15 for 2 after 4. Anuj Bhai to bowl. Oh, a chance of a run out at the non-striker's end. Nevertheless, a dot ball here. And so all the panic button is on. It's all about the pressure. And it's a stop. Jasmine, the captain. All the efforts are being made. Full toss. And a wicket. So, the scenario is that Digicom Sec Blazers. They have achieved a very big wicket. And also that too on the score of 15. Third wicket falls in 4.3 overs. Anuj Bhai once again providing a breakthrough. That's a good delivery. So from now onwards, we have seen the body language of the fielders changing now. But still, lots and lots of hope for Team Miracle. It's in the air. Pankaj Bhai tried, but just missed it. Had it been a catch, that would have been the catch of the tournament. .5. The last ball of the 5th over. Single. And with that, over comes to an end. 18 runs on the scorecard. 5 overs, 18 runs, 3 wickets. ...18 runs after 5 overs. Lots and lots of big hits to be needed for Miracle Tech strikers to win this match. So according to the name, they need a miracle, but it's Krishnakant. Bowling over the wicket to the right-handed batsman. And also we saw Nilesh Bhai hitting some big hits in the qualifiers. That's a good shot. NJ boundary. So keeping the hopes alive with this boundary. That's in the air, straight to the fielder. Oh, the score is 23 for the loss of 4 wickets. A good comeback by Krishnakant. Revenge in a cricketing style. On the back foot. That's been played away by Tejas for a single. What a stroke, but straight into the hands of the fielder, Anuj Bhai. So in the first innings, we saw some catches were dropped, and surely that's gonna be proving a fatal one. Kalpesh Bhai walks in the middle. One ball left. So the last ball coming up. Again a full toss. And what a good stroke that is. Absolute cloud sixer. And with that, sir, just give a second, please. The score is 30 runs. 30 runs after 6 overs. They need are all the remaining deliveries they need to send it near the boundary or above the boundary line. Counter attack, which is all needed. Pankaj Bhai to bowl this 7th over. Digicom Sec Blazers, almost they are having this match in their hand. But then all sort of dramas are yet to be started. A white ball. Lofting it. He just wanted to drive it towards the long off. Gets a single. And a chance. But then the bat landed in the crease at the non-striker's end. What we are witnessing is the finale. As of now, it seems to be a very one-sided game. It's a no ball. And again, a single. So that's the reason we say कि बाहर से call ना दीजिए. That would have been a wicket over here. Free hit to be continued. They can try the luck. Not able to connect it properly. Once again a single. So every kind of thing happening in the middle for now. 3 balls left in this over. Oh, that's a good piece. What a piece of a fielding. They are appealing it. What a good piece of a wicket keeping that was. Can we have a round of applause for Shripal? Two to go. It has been an exceptional over by Pankaj Bhai, not allowing the batsman to score those runs. And surely today is gonna be the biggest night. The victory lap will be done after the match. And now the over comes to an end. 7 overs gone, it's 36 runs. But this is surely a pure cricket by both the teams. The winners, the runners-up. Today all the DPs and the status will be exchanged. Hashtag winners, Assert Cricket Premier League Season 5. 6 deliveries left. Six balls and Ashwin Bhai. All sorts of dot balls we are witnessing. Purely a one-sided drama. That's in the air. And it's an absolute cloud sixer. That's a good stroke by Kalpesh Bhai. So he will try his luck hard. Oh. Well, that was firmly hit. And he just asked Ashwin Bhai. But then a good piece of a bowling. So now 2 balls left. We are witnessing a pure gem of a cricket. Off cutter. Proving the ball coming in. And the last ball of the day. Last ball of the day coming in. It's a no ball. We'll have to wait for a few seconds. The oohs and ahs. But then, Assert Cricket Premier Leagues Season 5. And the winners are Digicom Sec Blazers. And the runners-up are Miracle Tech Strikers. What an entertaining day this has been. Throughout the day, n number of sixes and boundaries, but then surely a pure cricketing sense coming in the right spirit of the game. DG.com Sec Blazers winning the match comfortably. They are the winners of Season 5 Assert Cricket Premier League. And Miracle Tech Strikers, you all are the runner-up. So let's have a round of applause for this beautiful tournament. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much, and with this we conclude the match, and it's Sagar Thakkar signing off for the day. Will surely join with the presentation area. Thank you so much.
बार बार हो जाता है। इधर लगा इधर।